So find the equations of the tangent and normal to the graph of the given function at a given point. So for this one, y is equals to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 at points 2 and 9. So find the tangent. So for tangent, so we'll find tangent and normal. So for tangent, we will use this equation y minus y sub 1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. And for normal, we will use this equation y minus y sub 1 is equals to negative 1 all over m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So where m is equals to y prime or the first derivative. So and x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the given points. So let's solve this one. So y is equals to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 at points 2 and 9. So we'll find first the first derivative. So y prime is equals to 6x minus 2. Y prime is equals to, but this is x and this is y. So we have 6 multiplied by 2 minus 2. So y prime is equals to 6 times 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 is just equals to 10. So it is the value of y prime is equals to m is equals to 10. So after this one, we will find the tangent. So we have y minus y sub 1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1 at points 2 and 9. So our m is equals to 10. So we have y minus so this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. So y minus 9 is equals to 10 multiplied by x minus 2. So we have y minus 9 is equals to 10x minus 20. So after this one, we will have a positive x. So 0 is equals, so we have, so just copy 10x minus 20 minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. So we have simplification 10x minus y minus 11 is equals to 0. So this is now our tangent line. So let's check if our answer is correct for tangent. Tangent is 10x minus y minus 11 equals to 0. So our answer here is correct, and we'll proceed to normal. So for normal, we'll use this equation y minus y sub 1 is equals to negative 1 all over m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So at points 2 and 9, then m is equals to 10. So y minus y sub 1 is equals to 9. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1 is equals to negative 1 all over 10 multiplied by x minus 2. So after this one, we will have 10 multiplied by y minus 9 is equals to negative multiplied by x minus 2. So we have 10y minus 90 is equals to negative x plus 2. So we have further simplification. So x plus 10y minus 90 minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have x plus 10y minus 92 is equals to 0. So this is now our normal line. So let's check if our answer is correct. 10 x plus 10y minus 92 equals to 0. So x plus 10y minus 92 is equals to 0. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 3.